The cleaner and healthier your internal system becomes, the fewer signs of aging your skin will reveal, and what once appeared as stubborn age spots begins to slowly fade as your inner health shines. Outward zinc is one of those minerals that rarely gets the attention it deserves. Yet it plays a massive role in how your body repairs, renews, and protects itself. When it comes to age spots, most people think only about sun exposure or aging, but few realize that a simple mineral deficiency could be one of the biggest reasons behind uneven pigmentation and dull, tired-looking skin. Zinc acts as a natural antioxidant and healing agent within the body. It helps control inflammation, supports collagen formation, and even regulates melanin production, the pigment responsible for skin color. When zinc levels drop, your skin loses its ability to heal properly, and melanin starts being produced unevenly, leading to clusters of darker patches that we call age spots. After the age of 60, the body's ability to absorb zinc decreases, and on top of that, many people eat less zinc-rich food or take medications that deplete it further. This creates a silent deficiency that shows up on the skin before it shows up anywhere else. Japanese researchers studying longevity noticed that many elderly people with clear, youthful skin had one thing in common. They consumed diets naturally rich in zinc. Foods like pumpkin seeds, seaweed, tofu, and fish were staples in their meals. Dr. Shigeaki Hinohara, who lived beyond 100, often mentioned that internal nourishment was the key to healthy skin, not expensive products. He believed that if your blood carries enough of the right minerals, your skin cells remain resilient and balanced, no matter your age. Zinc's effect on the skin is powerful because it works from the inside out. It's not a bleaching agent or a quick fix, but it helps the body regulate the processes that cause dark spots in the first place. For instance, every time UV rays hit the skin, free radicals are produced, damaging DNA and speeding up pigmentation. Zinc steps in to repair that DNA damage and neutralize oxidative stress. It also helps produce and activate antioxidant enzymes that protect skin cells from premature aging. Without enough zinc, this protection weakens and your skin becomes more vulnerable to environmental damage. Another reason zinc is so essential for fading age spots is its role in skin renewal. It supports the production of new cells and helps shed old, damaged ones. When your body consistently has enough zinc, the skin turnover rate improves, meaning that older, pigmented layers are replaced by fresher, lighter skin more efficiently. Over time, this leads to a visible improvement in tone and texture. But zinc doesn't work alone. It interacts closely with other vitamins like A, C, and E to boost healing and protection. When these nutrients work together, they create a natural defense system that keeps your skin even, clear, and youthful. Unfortunately, in modern diets, zinc deficiency is extremely common. Processed foods, poor digestion, or over-reliance on refined grains all reduce the amount of bioavailable zinc the body can use. That's why including natural sources like seeds, lentils, nuts, seafood, and beans daily makes a huge difference. Small changes like sprinkling pumpkin seeds on your breakfast or adding beans to your meals can restore balance slowly and effectively. And while supplements can help, it's always better to focus on food first because nature provides minerals in the most balanced form for your body to absorb. When zinc levels rise back to normal, your skin starts responding. Pigmentation stabilizes, inflammation calms down, and those stubborn brown patches begin to fade gradually. When your cells are well nourished and hydrated, they function at their best, but when they're deprived of essential nutrients or moisture, signs of aging like dullness, fine lines, and age spots begin to appear more quickly. Dr. Shigeaki Hinohara often emphasized that true beauty starts from the inside and that the combination of minerals, vitamins, and hydration forms the foundation for radiant skin. He believed that feeding your skin internally was far more effective than applying layers of products externally. And this is where the powerful synergy between zinc, vitamin C, and EN hydration comes into play. Zinc acts as a cellular repair mineral, while vitamin C and E act as protective antioxidants. Together they create a defense system that shields the skin from free radicals, unstable molecules caused by sun exposure, pollution, and stress. Free radicals damage skin cells and DNA, which leads to uneven pigmentation and age spots. Vitamin C supports collagen production, and helps the skin maintain its elasticity and firmness, while vitamin E strengthens the cell membrane, keeping it hydrated and supple. When zinc joins this partnership, it enhances the absorption and effectiveness of both vitamins, resulting in faster healing, reduced inflammation, and a more balanced skin tone. This trio works from the inside out, nourishing the deepest layers of the skin and allowing new, healthy cells to replace damaged ones naturally. Hydration is another essential part of this equation. Dehydrated skin loses its natural ability to renew and protect itself. Water supports the circulation of nutrients, helping them reach the skin cells efficiently. Without enough hydration, even the best diet won't deliver visible results because nutrients can't travel where they need to go. Dr. Hinohara often encouraged drinking water and green tea regularly throughout the day, not just for hydration but for detoxification. Green tea in particular is rich in antioxidants called catechins that protect skin cells from UV damage and improve overall complexion. The Japanese habit of drinking multiple cups of green tea daily keeps their system clean, their digestion smooth, and their skin clear. Another factor that contributes to healthy, hydrated skin is balance in the body's internal environment. When the body is overloaded with toxins, inflammation rises, and the skin becomes a reflection of that stress. Hydration helps flush these toxins out, giving your cells space to regenerate. People who stay properly hydrated often notice that their skin appears brighter, smoother, and more even because water supports the natural detox and repair process. In Japan, soups and broths, made with mineral-rich vegetables and seaweed, are another way people stay hydrated while also replenishing vital nutrients. When you pair hydration with proper nutrition, the skin begins to transform. The dull, uneven layers slowly fade as newer, fresher cells rise to the surface. Instead of trying to cover imperfections, this approach allows the skin to heal itself naturally. The antioxidants reduce inflammation, zinc regulates melanin, and hydration supports cellular renewal, all working in harmony. Over time, age spots fade, the complexion brightens, and the skin looks healthier because it's receiving exactly what it needs from within. It's a slow and steady process, but the results are lasting, reflecting the body's renewed balance and vitality. Aging gracefully has always been a core principle of Japanese longevity culture, and Dr. Shigeaki Hinohara embodied this idea better than anyone. He believed that aging is not something to fight, but something to harmonize with. His philosophy centered on maintaining balance, physically, mentally, and emotionally, because imbalance is what truly accelerates aging, not time itself. He used to say that the secret to looking and feeling young is not perfection, but harmony. When your body, mind, and emotions are in sync, your natural glow never fades. This belief goes far beyond skincare or diet. It's about the energy you carry, the mindset you nurture, and how you treat your body as a lifelong companion rather than an enemy to fix. Stress, poor diet, and negative emotions all create imbalance within the body. Cortisol, the stress hormone, directly increases inflammation and triggers pigmentation, dullness, and even breakouts. Dr. Hinohara understood this deeply, which is why he placed equal importance on mental well-being as he did on nutrition. He encouraged people to stay curious, keep learning, and find joy in small, meaningful activities. He often worked well into his later years because he believed that staying active and passionate kept his spirit alive and his body strong. When you have a purpose, your body functions more efficiently. Your hormones remain balanced, your skin stays strong, and your skin reflects that inner vitality. This concept of harmony also applies to lifestyle choices. Eating balanced meals, sleeping well, moving daily, and maintaining emotional peace are all simple acts that create long-term beauty. When you eat nutrient-rich foods, your cells are nourished. When you rest, your skin repairs. When you move your body, circulation improves, bringing oxygen and minerals to your skin. Every small choice supports the others, forming a complete system that keeps you youthful from the inside out. Japanese culture emphasizes these small habits, short walks, light meals, social connection, and mindfulness, because they sustain balance effortlessly. It's not about restriction or obsession, it's about gentle consistency. Another part of this harmony is emotional balance. Dr. Hinohara often spoke about joy as a form of medicine. He believed that laughter and connection were as healing as any supplement or treatment. When you carry stress or resentment, your body physically reacts. It tenses, your breathing becomes shallow, and your blood flow decreases, all of which contribute to dull and tired-looking skin. On the other hand, positive emotions create relaxation, better oxygen flow, and natural radiance. Fui. People who live with gratitude and curiosity age slower, not just because of their habits, but because their bodies are in a constant state of balance. He used to remind his patients that aging isn't a punishment, it's proof of life. Proof of life. When you stop fearing it and start caring for yourself with patience and love, your entire body begins to respond. The skin clears, the mind calms, and energy returns. True agelessness is not about stopping time, it's about being in rhythm with it. Harmony gives you peace, and peace gives you beauty. Shiftsis. When the inside is calm and balanced, the outside naturally follows, radiating health, confidence, and timeless grace.